Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, a couple stains, a few small scuffs, but otherwise in great condition. Tires are from 2011. You're going to have swirls and marring and scuffs all throughout the paint. So this could use a good paint correction, and we do that in-house, as well as ceramic coating. Got some chips there. You can see this is faded a little bit. Got the shorty antenna. You're gonna see those swirls. Got a chip here. Got some scratches there, just kind of on the surface. Then you're gonna see rock chips kind of peppered on that lower section. Kind of impacted the graphic. You have a scratch there that's pretty deep. It does catch my nail. That mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. You have some fading here. And then I see a chip there, scratch here, chip there. Looking at the door, a few small chips, a couple small scratches there, a little surface scratch, another chip. The rest of that looks good. Graphic here is kind of chewed up on the edge. Looking at that wheel, you can see it's kind of tarnished. You have those flaws in it. Date code on the tires, 2011. That lower section looks good. A couple small scuffs. And you're going to see just the swirls from everyday washing. Now these are not functional. You still have to remove them to open the hood, but they're there for looks, probably glued on or sticky taped on. You have a large chip there. These are vinyl. You got a chip right here. Lens looks good. Chip right there. That lens looks nice. You can see kind of the haziness on the bumper and some trash in the paint from the repaint there. You do have rash all along that lower splitter. You're going to see the rash here. Typical rock impacts kind of peppered throughout. Got some rock chips here. You're going to see the stains in the plastic. Looking at this wheel, you're going to see it's kind of tarnished in the middle there. A little scuff there. That tire is from 2015. Mirror looks good. You're going to see the kind of fading on that trim. That looks good. A little chip on the vinyl. You're going to have the little swirls, little fingernail scratches in the paint there. That tire is from, date code, where are you at? 2015. You're going to have the typical flaws on that wheel as well. You got a gash here. You got a gash right there with some swirls. Got the Flowmaster exhaust. A little marring and swirls here. The rest of that though looks good. See a couple little scuffs there. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Now this has been repaired, I believe. They normally separate, and so it's all glued down nice and tight. And you can see a lot of wrinkles in it, and that's the only reason I think it was repaired, is because they got to smooth it all out. That's really nice though. The rest of that panel's in great condition. You have some dings on that trim. You got a rip right here. A little bit of wear. That's kind of smushed down. You have a lot of wear on that bolster. Upper section looks good. Typical scuffs here. Got some scratches in there. Looking at the steering wheel, you got little fingernail scratches throughout. A little scuff on the top side. Those look good. That looks good. That's clean. Those buttons all are in great condition. Got this aftermarket shifter add-on here. That looks good. Upper side of the dash, nice and clean. Here on the interior, got these kind of bullet looking caps. No separation on that leather. I imagine it was repaired at some point because it does have a lot of wrinkles in it, but at least it was repaired, and if you don't know, they sag and come out. That looks good. Got a dent here. Trim looks really nice. Got a little scratch there, a couple scuffs, a little bit of wear, a few scratches, but the rest of that seat looks really nice. This side looks good. Got a couple scuffs down there, a few small scuffs on the block. You got a few small scuffs there. The rest of that's in great condition. And here on the back seats, I know it's dark, but they look really good. All right, checking out the engine bay. We're just gonna scan through some of this. Got the JLT intake there with the carbon, looks good. On the underhood liner, you can see the stains, and then you're gonna see the flaws here.